Hi and welcome to the Melodic House course. I'm Francois, a music producer and your Ableton instructor.
In this course, we are going to create this song from start to finish. We are starting with a blank new Ableton project, and then we are working step by step, writing chords, programming drums, designing sounds, setting up the arrangement, mixing and mastering until we have a finished product. And this is going to be especially fun here because we are only using Ableton Live stock effects and instruments. And still, we'll be able to achieve a nice, warm and professional sound. The video sessions are fully online and you can watch everything at your own speed. So it's just going to be as if we were sitting side by side together in the studio working on this track, and you can follow the full production process step by step. While going through all important stages of the production, everything will be explained in detail and you'll be able to pick up tricks and skills and save valuable time. You'll learn new techniques and apply them to your own productions right away. So what's needed? You'll need Ableton Live Standard 10 or higher plus Wavetable. You won't need any third-party plugins, and we are working with Live 10.0.6 here, but higher versions will also work. Also, you'll need a basic understanding of how to use Ableton, like loading files and creating MIDI clips. And just in case, if that's not too fresh in your memory anymore, we'll also provide you with an Ableton refresher in the bonus section of this course, and you can quickly update your memory before getting started. So I think we're all set, so let's get started.